welcome back to Daytime Live. We're quite excited to talk about this. Yes, the JCDC Marcus Garvey Awards for Excellence in the Performing Arts is happening on Tuesday, October 1, 2024, and it's all happening at the Little Theatre in Kingston, and it starts at 11 a.m. sharp. So because we want to know everything about it, we decided we must have Sir Andrew Brodber. He's the Director of Arts Development and Training at the JCDC, so that means him know everything. That's what it means.
You're setting it up, but that's all right.
So, Sir Brodber, let's jump right into it.
Yes.
What's the importance of the Marcus Garvey Awards, and how is that used to promote the performing arts in Jamaica?
The fact that our national hero was a defender of the arts.
Yes.
That's a great foundation on which we start. And then JCDC, we have been doing what we do for a number of years. And a lot of people who are in the arts now came through the process, in the whole creative industry, came through the process of learning how to be an entertainer, an actor, a dancer, a musician, the whole works. And so we thought that it would be very important to give credence to those who are in the, let us say, mainstay. Every year, these teachers, these group leaders, these individuals perform and share the best. And then we said, there must be a place to really honor them in a particular kind of way. And that's why we have this ceremony where, after we have seen all the entrants and all the performances and everything, we make an assessment and we bring the best of the best together and we honor them in this ceremony. In fact, only one school or institution will go away with that top trophy, that top prize, the Marcus Garvey Award for Excellence in the Performing Arts.
And even though you said the best of the best, it couldn't have been easy choosing, because I'm sure you had a lot of exceptional talent.
We end up now with what we call 5 nominees, institutions that entered, perhaps you would say 4 or 5, because the minimum entry for areas, like you'd say, you have entered drama, you have entered music, you have entered speech, is 3. And most of these institutions who come out as top nominees have entered 5, at least 4 or 5. So when they come to the national finals, every gold medal, every trophy has a point attached to it. And that is a mathematical precision. We calculate exactly who came away with all these awards and who becomes a winner.
Wow. I love it.
Some of the awardees this year, they are very special. Tell us a little bit about some of them and what some background information.
Sure. We would have had 2 particular institutions that dominated over the period, St. Jago and Arden. So I'm not going to talk about those 2 because they have dominated for a while. We're very excited that we are seeing other institutions now. And I would say I have a particular mention with regards to Port Antonio Theatre Group out of Portland, because Dr. Maureen Campbell, she has been doing this since 1988. She has been with us as an instructor, bringing a lot of young people, and even oldsters, if you know what I mean. Because her group facilitates all ages, and she runs that group, you know, outside of school, outside of, you know, but schoolers are there, but adults are there too. Very dynamic. We want to encourage that. That's a very good example. And in the other section of the island now, Green Island High School, Shauna Miller. And she has been there for years. So producing youngsters and those who have even left school, working with them, bringing the arts to a certain level. So we really want to mention those. So Godfrey Stewart is new, coming in as our 5th nominee. When I say 5th, not in terms of placement, but in terms of hearing about this institution now. Godfrey Stewart has come up to being one of our nominees, and we're very proud of them.
You see why I did say earlier, say you're the man who know everything?
Look here now. Don't bother with it.
So with that now, it makes me curious, since you were able to highlight those 2, that you must have also seen some other things that stood out to you just from the national festival in itself. So can you share with us anything that you recall that it really stood out in your mind?
We're really very happy that we continue to attract all ages. So we have basic schools and we have tertiary level institutions.
Beautiful.
We have individuals coming in. So you don't have to be a part of a particular, if you wanted to enter, you could just choose and say, I've never been through this festival process. Let me come on in and enter. You too? Oh, you do? Okay, that's another matter. and then I'm very happy that some institutions really take advantage of what we offer and bring to the table. And we see excellence, and we're very happy about that. The future is secure in terms of the arts, creative industries, as long as we're doing what we're doing and persons are participating.
I love that.
You know, this year they had the National Festival of Performing Arts. Some of the highlights. Share them with us that really stood out to you, that you were like, hey, world.
There are some stories at the national finals that are very intriguing. Some of the youngsters are coming to Kingston for the first time. That still happens. And a person coming into a real theater for the first time. Some of the youngsters say, it's the bright light, sir. And when I look out there, I can't see the audience, the light is shining so bright. Some of the experience is still the magic of theater, the magic of being on a real stage in front of a live audience or whatever, and the reaction and the parents' support, you know, when they actually come and say, my little one on the stage there now, winning gold, winning trophy. It's like, so those stories really invigorate us that we're still doing a good thing. It's a good thing we're doing, and we're really growing careers as of this level.
I love that, Andrew. I'm going to throw in a quick plug. That's how I feel whenever I do All Together, seeing how the student starts to day one, to see them at the end of the season, so much growth and maturity. It just makes you feel really proud of them.
Certainly.
So it makes me also wonder, what kind of impact are you hoping that the Marcus Garvey Awards will just have on not just the individuals, but also the local community and the cultural heritage that we have?
And in addition to that, I just want him to just answer both questions at the same time. How can these local communities support what is happening?
We have a marketing team, and we really welcome all support. There's no amount of support that can come to us that we will be flooded. We have thousands of people who we work with every year. So we can award, we can support, we can give help at whatever level we choose. So at the community level, we invite persons, just talk to us. What can you do? We are here, we need the support, because we have a lot of clients. And then for your question, I think, how do I put it now? Give me a refresher. What you really want?
No, same what
you throw me off just a bit.
All right, I'm going to answer it for you. It's basically what impact you want the Marcus Garvey.
We have also invited brand new principals of institutions that we have not seen on the radar. So we've invited them to come and see what it's like when an institution, you know, the excitement is something else.
Yes, and
especially when the winner lifts up that trophy. Usually it's the minister who hands over the trophy, and the excitement it's just palpable. It's just wonderful.
And to add to that, the future of performing arts secure because of it. High five for that. Social media quickly, Andrew. Social media.
How can we search on social media quickly?
Well, we are on all the platforms. So JCDC, and you'll be there.
JCDC Jamaica. Thank you, Andrew Brodber there. Can't wait for this to happen. It's happening on October 1 at 11 o'clock at Little Theatre. Thank you so much for watching Daytime Live. Remember to check on your loved ones, support as a community. Aid and such. Continue. May I practice?
You're performing.
Go on the stage. Go.
Guys, we'll be back next week, Tuesday. We're going to have Buzz, Chat, Vibe, and Mix.
Yes.
If no outside, stay safe. It's end of month weekend. And happy birthday once more, Tasia.
Yes. October 1, Little Theatre. Happy birthday, Tasia. Bye, everybody.